Hey YouTube, I wanted to do a quick review on the True Classic Tees brand, as I've been going around different brands trying to uh, find out what I like best, what I don't like. And I went through several brands. I've gone and spent a bunch of money with Built, with True Classic. Um, I haven't done an order with Cuts yet, but I've done some stuff with American Eagle, and really I can say that Built, and I'll probably do the video on that next, is one of my favorites. But I favor them for their pants and some of their shirts. Now, True Classic Tees, they tout being able to hide that gut, and I'm putting on a little winter fluff right now, so I really enjoy that. But I also found that their shirts are quality, and if you don't mind paying a little bit more than you probably would if you found something on sale at a department store. You get it shipped to your house. The prices are fair. But what I've ordered is I've got the Essential Crew 9 pack on t shirts, the long sleeve variety 9 pack, the core color, and then the core color performance dress shirts. I got a 3 pack of those. And then I was able to get for free, because I bought all that, a Navy Crew long sleeve shirt, an Active Crew t-shirt, and a pair of underwear. So, real quick, I'm gonna open the packages. Got my handy opener here on camera and let you guys see what it's like to get some of these things. I may not need that in the mail. So first things, they include, it's like my packing slip, and I'm not sure what this says. Probably a coupon or care secret offer. I'm not sure what's in that, but I'll probably find out later. That's not important right now. So it looks like in here I'll have a heather gray long sleeve, crew neck. Look like a bunch of stuff. I don't know if this is the packing slip. This has to be the packing slip for both these packages. But first, right out the gate, the shirts come packed in these really nice fabric bags. Um, Not as nice as the ones that you get from Built. They're pretty thin. You'll want to throw these away. But let me just show you one of these t-shirts. So this is a heather gray crew neck tee. And I can tell you, these right out the gate are very soft, very comfortable. They really fit you well around your chest and your arms. And I'm not sure how they do the cut to make it not show that you've got this tubby belly if you have one. And guys, those of you that are fit and don't have that problem, you're going to look great in these things because your biceps are going to just bulge in these shirts. I know when I was fit, I used to love shirts like this because I knew it was just gonna make my wife go crazy when she see me in them, and that was kind of the goal here too. But like I said, I put a few pounds on. So yeah, we got another T-shirt. White Crew. Another White Crew. These are probably all Crews T-shirts. Yep. Not sure why this one's in a different package, but it probably is a different cut of something. It's like a military green shirt. Go ahead and open this one up. Same thing. And you could use these. Oh, that's a long sleeve shirt. Okay, so there's a white long sleeve shirt. wear that for the winter time. I did get several long sleeve shirts in this order just because I tend to wear a lot of long sleeves whenever it's cold here in Kansas City, even though I'm not outdoors a whole heck of a lot. There's a short sleeve white t-shirt. And these are just so smooth and nice. I mean, they feel really good. All right. Another t-shirt, crew neck, and last but not least in that small package. Now this is going to have some dress shirts in it, this bigger package I've got, and definitely looking forward to opening it up because I want to show you guys those dress shirts, how they feel and how they are in comparison to going to JCPenney's and getting just a regular cotton shirt. All right, so let's go ahead and probably put that knife away since I don't think I'm going to need it. Oh yeah, see, you don't even need a knife. They just rip right open. I think as much of these as I bought. Another code. We'll see what that is. Okay. This is probably, these are probably long sleeves. Long sleeve shirts. One of them's supposed to be an active shirt. Yep, there we go. Long sleeve crew. Another long sleeve crew. I want to get to the dress shirts. All right, here's a Henley, button up Henley. It ought to be long sleeve. I love these shirts. I've got a couple of them already, and they are very comfortable. So, you know, after a wash, another Henley. The boxer briefs. I was hoping I'd get to these quick. These are some of the best underwear I have ever put on my body. I got a free pair last time I ordered, and I have to tell you, it was absolutely mind blowing. When I'm ready to completely throw all my old underwear away and get new ones, these are definitely going to be the way to go. Again, they're underwear. They're a little pricey, but I'm telling you, you get what you pay for with this stuff. Henley. I got 9 of these things. Where are the dress shirts? Might be one right here. It is. Okay. I know that because I can see and feel the buttons. You don't have to tuck these in. You can wear them untucked. But let me just show you. Imagine having a t-shirt, cotton fabric, stretchy, that's actually made into a dress shirt, a button down. That's what you get here. They are very form fitting. They look great. Again, this is another shirt that you're a little tubby, get a little belly on you. It's not going to show it too much, but it's going to highlight your arms, your shoulders, everything. So I usually take that stuff to the cleaners uh, almost immediately and just have it laundered with a little starch. Got a few more things in here. All right. Oh, this is a great color. I love this. I was hoping I got one of these, and I did. Couldn't remember. That blue. It's like a heather blue color. You'll notice a lot of these shirts are dark in colors. Um, that's my personal preference. I kind of try to go for a minimalistic look anymore, really. Oh, God, this is so comfortable. This is one of their athletic shirts. It is, I'm telling you, it is like, I should have just ordered a bunch of these. It's some kind of real stretchy spandex and polyester. Okay, so that was a gray button-up shirt. Here's a black button-up shirt. These look great with a pair of built pants. And I haven't tried the True Classic pants yet. I'd like to. I don't really think I'm going to buy them. So, True Classics, if you're listening, you're watching this video, send me some pants. And I will definitely do a review on those. Oh, this is just unbelievable. Which one was this? Don't have this shirt yet, but oh my gosh. It's a dress shirt and it is, well, it doesn't say, but oh, I think it's the Performance Oxford or the Performance dress shirt. This is like a windbreaker material. I don't know how else to explain it, but I'm telling you right now, this is going to be nice wearing. You know, if you're a guy that sweats, you got to wear something to the office, or you know, you just want something different. Those materials just make all the difference in the world. A light gray one, just like it. I'm in love. So I'll send these, like I said, down to the cleaners and just have them pressed and steamed and a little bit of starch put onto them. But I'm telling you, these shirts right here, they might end up being my favorites, and I do mean that. And some white ones. I think this is, oh my gosh, yes. That's the executive 3-pack I ordered. Okay. Look at these. They're like I can't even explain to you what the fabric is, but it's so, I don't want to say thin. I don't wear undershirts, but I'd wear one of those white ones underneath this shirt right here as an undershirt. No questions asked. And this is my last button up that I ordered. And again, it's that thicker cotton feel, not like these. These are so different. I can't really explain them over a video. It's one of those things where you'd have to be here to see it. But this is nice. You totally dig this. They come with their collar protectors. Um, yeah, I'm definitely down with this. So this pretty much is going to conclude my shirt wardrobe for the remainder of the year. My wife is definitely going to be happy with that because she's already let me know I've bought too much in clothing. I don't know how many thousands I've spent with Built, and I'm close to that. I don't even know. I'm not even going to talk about it. It doesn't matter. I haven't bought clothes for myself in a long time. So that being said, I'm happy with this purchase. Again, if you're curious about what these shirts are all about, do what I did. Just order a small pack of them, get them in. I promise you'll do exactly what I did and order more. And you know, it's funny. The only reason I ordered more was because I heard them advertised on Joe Rogan. And I thought, oh man, you know what? I need some more shirts. And how cool is it that Rogan's wearing these things too? So I don't have a discount code to share with you. Um, hopefully, True Classics will send me some send me some pants. So maybe I'll buy a pair. I don't know. We'll see how much traction this video gets. But next, I'll be reviewing some of the other stuff from Built. That's BYLT Built Basics. But overall, I'm pretty satisfied here. Got a pretty good amount of laundry I've got to do now, and um, yeah, that's it. I can say that I'm excited. I know who said they'd ever be excited for getting dressed up or even just slouching around in a t-shirt. So that's me. Oh, by the way, yeah, this is Built. This is made by Built. Phenomenal overshirt. So anyway, all right. I hope you enjoyed the video. Comment if you want to see more. If you want me to do some more reviews, I definitely will. I've got those Everyday 2.0 pants from Built that I've had altered at the alterations place. So I had a little bit taken up on the legs, but um, yeah, True Classics. If you guys want me to do some videos on your pants, I certainly will. Thanks. Have a great day.